First, open Task Manager. If any Riot client or Valorant running in background, close it. Right-click on Valorant and click on Open File Location. Click on Riot Games. Open Valorant folder. Open Live folder. Open Shooter Game folder. Open Win64 folder. Right-click Valorant Win64 Shipping and click on Properties. Open Compatibility tab. Select Disable Full Screen Optimization. Press Apply and then OK. Now open Services. Locate VGC and open it. In Startup type select Automatic. Press Apply and then OK. Now start the services. Now open Start and type msconfig. Open Services tab. Check whether VGC was selected. Open Run. Type the following command and press OK. Click on Riot Games. Open Riot Client. Open Data folder. Right-click this file and click on Rename. If that didn't work, open Device Manager. Update your display adapter. If that didn't work, open Start and type Graphic. Open Graphic Setting. Now right-click Valorant and click on Open File Location. Now copy the path. Click on Browse. Paste the path. Press Enter. Select Riot Client Services and click on Add. In Riot Client, click on Option. Select High Performance and click on Save. Uncheck it and press Apply and then OK. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. If the problem continues, uninstall the Riot Vanguard. It will reinstall Riot Vanguard again.